chapter 20, but Gavin is done with all of his little excerpts and notes and chapter headings. He's had to read the entire table of contents into this microphone. And this sound booth that Blake built for us, and he just moved. He did. I walked in right as he was saying that title. I'm like, Gavin! Did you hear him laughing in here? Look, we are in a styrofoam sound booth in our studio so that the reverb is minimized from the bouncing sounds. Dude, give me one of those. I need one of those. We just recorded an audiobook together. Authorship. Excited? Yeah. December 29th, it will be out. It's cool because there's going to be a physical copy and one to listen to. And, mind you, the audiobook is not totally different than the book, but we did some ad-libs. We definitely added some stuff in there. Gavin, I was totally impressed. He came in there like first day yesterday.
Everybody, I want to record a vid for my channel, and the highest video number I can make is like 15 minutes, and I'm on 8 minutes and just fucking failing. In this challenge, because I'm doing a series on extreme car driving, and I have to do every challenge before in my series, and this is the hardest challenge in the game. And we have to make this challenge in 2 parts. I'm gonna end the video and go to the next part. So fun! Man, I've got 3 minutes on one challenge. What the? How do I quit the challenge? Oh my gosh, I had to rage quit the challenge someone gave me in the comments. Someone actually commented on my thing. Do the rage pass challenge, and I can't. Isaac, what color should I get my car to be? I'm letting you pick. Wait. Guys, I'm gonna let my brother choose the color. What's the color gonna be? Isaac says gold. Is this a good gold for you? That's the only gold. Isaac said that's a good enough gold. I had to waste $50 on it. I should have let you design my uniform. Isaac, when we play Friends, this is pretend how we get around. My app lets you actually driving a car to the destination. I'm gonna drive my Lambo. It's I think it's red or black. I already have red. Wanna go play Friends?